Hi, this is Charles with Spring Distribution. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the brand new SMDV Professional TTL light B500 TTL. This is a new light with a built-in Bowens type mount adapter, AC and DC power, high-speed sync up to 1/8,000th of a second, multi-flash capability, and built-in TTL receivers for Nikon, Canon, and Fuji. Let's take a closer look at the B500 TTL from SMDV. First, we have a removable integrated Bowens mount reflector that allows us to utilize many different Bowens mount accessories. Also, there is a removable lithium-ion battery with an integrated battery check. And here we have the built-in optical slave receiver for manual flash triggering. On the bottom, we can see the robust construction of the all-metal stand mount with the included integrated umbrella mount, built-in cooling fan, built-in handle for easy positioning of your B500 TTL, as well as on the back at the bottom, we also have a USB port for further upgrades by the end user, as well as a 3.5mm sync port for manual flash triggering. Let's take a closer look at the rear panel controls on the B500 TTL. Here we have our mode switch, which very easily allows us to switch between full TTL control and manual control, our repeat multi-flash function, exposure compensation control, and then of course our power switch. Continuing on the bottom of the rear panel, we have our controls for channel, which allows us to choose 80 channels, our group control, which allows us to choose 4 groups, our slave control, sound control, and our LED modeling lamp control, and finally we have our test fire. Now that we've discussed all the controls on the rear panel of the B500 TTL, let's take a closer look at the B control. First thing we can recognize is that all of the controls are mirrored on the B control. When I switch the unit on, you'll notice that it is auto-sensing, so the B500 TTL will automatically recognize what system we're going to be using. In this case, it's Fuji. Here we have the ability to switch between manual control and TTL. We have our multi-flash control, channel control, which again allows us to choose between 80 channels, our test fire, our backlight control, and our LED modeling lamp control. And then we can also adjust power right from the B control unit. Thank you for taking a look at the B500 TTL from SMDV. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website at www.springdistribution.com.